She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
Hi lovelies! In this video, I'm going to show you how to roller set your hair at home and also by getting great results, okay? So please stick around and also don't forget to hit my subscribe button for more videos. Okay, loves, so when you're roller setting your hair, you want to make sure that you have a bottle, just like I have there spraying my hair, of water, just water handy, okay? Because your hair needs to always have that moisture. Always wet, okay? Make sure that your hair is always wet because you don't want to, when you're combing your hair to roller set it, you do not want to be tugging, pulling, or breaking your hair, okay? So that's a major key. Make sure that your hair is wet at all times, okay? When you're doing a wet set, all right? Okay, love, so let me know which rollers do you guys prefer? Because you know we have so many different types, right? Because we have hot rollers, foam rollers, heated rollers, Velcro rollers, brush hair rollers, steam hair rollers, flexi rods. So which rollers do you like? Which is more manageable for you? Okay, comment down below, drop it in the comment section and let me know. But the roller that we need to stay far from is the sponge rollers, okay? Because the sponge rollers, it sucks so much moisture from our hair, and remember, when all that moisture is from our hair, it then leads to breakage. So stay away from the sponge roller, but comment down below and let me know which roller is your favorite, okay? Okay, love, so the two rollers I'm going to use is this medium size roller for the front of my hair, and also this small clasp roller for the back of my hair, okay? And this roller, if you're a beginner, is perfect for you to start with. Okay guys, so make sure you have your pen and your paper ready, all right? Because this is, as I said earlier, roller setting 101, okay? And this is the step that always works for me. This method works for me every time, and my curls comes out perfect, okay? So just follow this step. I'm going to be zooming in a little so you guys could get it, okay? So you could always rewind this video as much as possible. You could watch it over and over again for you to get it, because I want my loves to get it, okay? So I hope I'll be the perfect teacher for you for this roller setting tutorial, okay? Okay, love, so I'm going to be using the slide-in clip with the gray rollers, okay? So the front of my hair is a little bit longer than the back. That's why I'm using the medium size rollers to the front and the smaller size rollers, which is the yellow ones that I showed you earlier, to the back, okay? So when you're roller setting, loves, remember to always make sure the ends of your hair is wrapped on the roller, and you're gonna be pulling the roller and wrapping it as tight as possible. Not to worry, loves, as I say, this video is going to be a lot of repetition, okay? So I make sure that you won't skip a beat, okay? But if you do skip the beat, remember, you could always re-watch the video, pause it, and just rewind it to make sure that you get it, okay? Okay, loves, so when you're roller setting your hair, please make sure that the end of your hair is snugged on the roller, and then you're gonna be pulling your hair and the roller in an upward motion. Also, loves, make sure that you're working with completely detangled hair, okay? Because this will result in a smoother roller set. So when you're roller setting your hair, you're going to start from the ends of your hair and you're going to work your way up to the roots. Okay, so you start from the ends of your hair and then you're going to work your way up. When you're working your way up with the roller, you're going to roll and pull. Roll and pull because you want that roller set to be nice and tight or snug, okay? You don't want it to be loose. And then once you're done, you're just going to use the silver pin and clip it to make sure that it is really secured, okay? And loves, you don't necessarily have to do the same position or the same way I'm doing my rollers, but this is the side, this is how I usually position my rollers. You could either do it backwards or to the side like how I'm doing, but you don't necessarily have to do it in this position. But I think for a beginner that this position is going to be the easiest for you. Let me know, comment down below if you'd like to me to show you how to roller set your hair backwards. Okay, so drop your comments down below and let me know. Okay, just put the word backwards, all right, and then I'll know. Okay, love, so this roller I had to pull it out because it wasn't as snug as the others. So remember, if you do not roll and pull as you're going down to the root of your hair, it's going to be very loose, okay? So I'm going to show you close up again on how to roll and pull, okay? But if you make a mistake or it's not coming out as you want it, just pull it out, guys. Just loosen that roller and just start again, okay? You will get it, okay? I believe in you. I always do, okay? So just follow this step, guys, and your result will look as flawless or even better than mine, okay? Okay, loves, so here's a quick tip just for you, okay? So to prevent your hair from sliding from the sides of your rollers, all you have to do, guys, is just make your parts a little smaller so your hair won't be sliding from the sides and you have to be adjusting with your fingers with the rollers. But I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, okay, in one of the videos. But you see how I'm parting my hair a little bit smaller, because I know if I have it too wide, I'm going to have my hair sliding off the roller, and we don't want that. Okay, so we just want a quick and neat set. So just make sure that your parts are smaller to prevent this. Okay. Okay, loves. So if you have a question and you wanted to know what rollers should you use, okay? The rollers depend on the length of your hair, okay? So if you have longer hair, you're gonna need a larger roller, okay? So you see how I have like a medium length hair. I use the medium size roller, and to the back, as I said, I have my hair is a little bit shorter, in which you're gonna see once I turn around. So I use a smaller size roller, okay? Because the larger the rollers, it makes larger and smoother waves or curls, okay? And they also add more height and volume at the roots. And the smaller your rollers, it makes a smaller and tighter waves or curls, okay? So as you can see at the back, I'm gonna be starting with my smaller rollers, okay, because I need also my hair at the back to be tighter, okay, the curls at the back to be tighter, okay? So I'm going in with my smaller curlers. And for beginners, I think this roller is actually a little bit easier for you to handle. You see how it's a little bit easier, and also it has the clasp in which you could just clasp your hair down, and it's nice and snug. Yes, love. So we are at the final roller and we are done. This roller set gonna have you like, damn, did I do that? Okay, love. So as you can see, your girl had to sleep in her rollers. I was unable to go under my hooded dryer, but as you can see, some of my rollers falling out, but thank God they held on. But yes, I was just so busy with my voice. So yes, I had to sleep in the rollers. It was so uncomfortable. I hate sleeping in my rollers. But loves, as you can see, my larger rollers, it gives me a larger curl pattern to the front, and you're gonna see when I turn around that the smaller curls, the smaller rollers are gonna give me a smaller curl pattern to the back. But yes, loves, like, yeah, I was unable to go under the dryer, so my hair was air dried, which is a plus because throughout this whole roller setting technique there was no heat on your hair. Okay, there was no heat on my hair. Okay, so that's the best way, any way possible that you could, prevent your hair from any heat. It is a plus plus. All right, so right now I'm just massaging my scalp. Yes, a good massage is always good for your scalp, ladies. Okay, because research shows that a scalp massage increases hair thickness by stretching the cells of your hair follicles, and also a scalp massage helps to dilate blood vessels between the skin. All right, so that also encourages hair growth. So imagine if you do a scalp massage 4 times a day, what your hair results will look like. Oh, I think voluminous. So loves, let me know how I did in the comments below. Okay, was I a good teacher? Let me know. Okay, and also comment down below other videos you'd love for me to do. Okay, what videos would you love to see? All right, and also don't forget to share my videos. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed or learned something. Okay, guys, so I love you for watching, and I'll see you next Saturday. Mwah. Bye bye.